Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video we are going to learn how to update payment method or information in the Patreon app. So let's start. So in order to update payment information in the Patreon app, first you need to be logged in, and if you have a current membership that you are going through, then you can just open the Patreon app here and click on this left profile option. After clicking on this, you can see my membership. I have a free membership right now. If I click on this, I can upgrade this or I can do anything. So I just need to click on upgrade membership. After clicking on upgrade membership, it will take me to a new page. Here I can join the page with whatever I want. Suppose I want to join it with $1 map pack. Now here's what you pay, $1, and it's asking me for the information about my payment details. Now either I can do card or I can do PayPal. So since I'm not gonna purchase it, this is how you do the payment in the Patreon. But if you are a creator and you need to add a payout map, what you need to do is head back and click and open Patreon in your web browser. Now after clicking and opening on Patreon on web browser, if you are a creator, here you will see three lines. After seeing these three lines, you have to just click on the payouts method, and after clicking on payout option, here a page will load and it will ask you for add payout method. Now in order to add a payment method in this, you can become a creator, but right now I'm not a creator. After I become a creator, it will ask me to add a payment method to pay out. So this is how you create and update payment information in the Patreon app. I hope this video was helpful. I will see you in the next one.